Good morning, it's Farmboy59 and we're back here at the garden spot. Today we are in the shop. It is blazing hot today. It was nice and cool this morning, but we did go down to the garden spot and we selected some good old Silver Queen corn. As you can see in the video here, this is actually one load from 4 rows. And you know, I've been talking about in the previous videos, we've been talking about some of that Silver Queen corn that I had. I haven't brushed my corn yet, so y'all just, bear with me. But you can look right there. That Golden Queen row that I had planted about 30 feet away from that, it is all into white corn. And these kernels, I swan, I've never seen anything like it. If that tells you, that is long as my hand. That is a Silver Queen ear. Now, of course, it didn't have some fill out down there, but that's fine. But you look at the other side, and she is just completely, solely filled out. And it turned out really good. I'm just happy with it. Thank y'all again for joining us with us today. But we're going to be doing some old-time shucking. So we're going to get this corn done and get this stuff taken care of. And again, thank everybody so much for joining with us today, subscribing to the channel. We did hit our our mark point. We did go over 400, thank y'all. So, until the next time, let's get to shucking and get some corn ready to go to the freezer. Y'all have a great one.
We have to cook and it will be delicious.